This is our Series by Twisted, one of our special projects. And whilst not the norm of Defender that we usually work on, this is a little nod back to where Defender came from, the Land Rover journey, and ultimately the Twisted journey. While we haven't done our usual range of upgrades to this vehicle, we've kept it very pure. It still had the Twisted ethos applied. It's been stripped down to the chassis extensively restored, the driveline, the drivetrain, all completely renovated. And whilst we've made some subtle enhancements with slightly larger wheel, our favourite choice of BF Goodrich tyre, it has been built back up the Twisted way, ensuring that it is the best version of a Series Land Rover that we can build. The beauty of what Series Land Rover is all about is the different configurations that you can easily achieve. You'll see here we've got the windscreen folded up, giving you a little protection, but we've removed the door tops, the hoods off, the frames off, and you can get your friends in and have the ultimate driving experience. You can even fold that windscreen down should you so wish, but then easily within a few minutes have it rebuilt back up and back weather tight. And when you get behind the wheel, it is the rawest form of motoring. We've got 4-speed stick, we've got 2- and 4-wheel drive, high and low box. And whilst we've made some enhancements to the interior by way of this beautiful leather trimming, it still very much feels like the 80s vehicle that it is. And driving becomes your #1 priority. So looking under the hood, it's a 2.25 litre petrol inline 4 engine. This has been rebuilt, restored, and brought back to the beautiful form you see today, absolutely as it would have been when it left the factory in 1980. So to make it a little more accessible in the rear, we've converted the rear to a side opening tail door and added these 2 bench seats, giving additional seating for 7 seats overall, while still keeping loads of room for all of your beach gear. So if you're looking for something to blend in, this probably isn't the vehicle for you. But if you want something that you can use for the beach, throwing a cooler in the back, 6 of your mates, that makes everyone in the car smile and everyone you pass, this probably is the right fit.